Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. In this video, we are going to see that if you want to disable the password protection or remove the password protection from the PowerPoint presentation, let's say you no longer want that. So how we can do this? But just to keep in mind, you have to remember a password. If you don't remember the password, this video is not for you because it's only possible when you remember your password. So let's mention my own password. And there we have the presentation. After that, what you can do here is go to the file menu and click on info, and in the protect presentation area, just click here and just click on this encrypt with password option. And here just remove the password, whatever here is mentioned, click OK. And now it will be password free. Just go back and click on save once. And let me just open it again, double click. And as we can see, now the password is successfully removed. So that's pretty much it, guys. This is how you can disable the password if you no longer want that on PowerPoint presentation. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to learn more about PowerPoint, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.